Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy update on how to export your contacts from Gmail using your PC. Whether you need to back up your contacts or transfer them somewhere else, this simple guide will show you how. Let's get started. Firstly, open your browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're in your Gmail account, look for the grid of 9 dots at the top right corner, just next to your profile picture. Click on those dots to reveal a menu. From there, select Google Contacts. This will take you to the interface where all your contacts are stored. It's a neat and organized place to manage your connections. Now, to pick the contacts you want to export, simply tick the box next to any contact. If you'd like to select all your contacts at once, look to the top left corner and click on Contact Selection. Then choose Everyone. It's a quick way to grab all of them. Next, navigate to the 3 dots in the top left corner of the Contacts page. Clicking on those dots will open a drop-down menu with more options. Here, find and click on Export. You'll be prompted to choose a file format. For most users, selecting Google CSV is the best option, especially if you're planning to import these contacts to another Google account or a different program. Once you've made your selection, click on Export, and there you have it. Your contacts will be saved to your computer, ready for whatever you need. That's it for exporting contacts from Gmail on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.